Okay, pupils, we are on this GSP4, so page number 3. And let's see the activity 1. Where are they from? Listen and match. There is one extra country that you do not need to use. So I play this CD content now.
Module 1. Workbook. Sing a song. 1. Where are they from? Listen and match. There is one extra country that you do not need to use. 1.
Hi, I'm Rob.
Hi, my name's Sun. Nice to meet you.
You have got a pretty name. Where are you from, Sun? Are you from China or Korea?
Thanks. No, I'm not from China. I'm from Korea.
Really? My best friend Yan is from Korea too.
2.
Hi, I'm Carlos.
Nice to meet you, Carlos. I'm Karen. You're new at our school, right?
Yes, I am.
Are you from Mexico?
No, I'm not from Mexico. I'm from Brazil.
Brazil? Ronaldinho is from Brazil too. He's my favourite football player.
3.
Pedro, what are you eating today?
I'm having tacos.
I love Mexican food.
Really? I'm from Mexico.
Really? You're not from Brazil?
No, I'm not. I'm from Mexico. Do you want some?
Sure. Thank you, Pedro.
4.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Tom. I'm Yi Ting.
Are you from China or Korea?
Well, I'm actually from the UK. My mum is from China.
Really? My dad is from the UK too.
That's cool.
So as you hear just now, Sun is from Korea. So we have used the ruler to draw a line here. So Sun is Korean. And then Carlos is from Brazil. So Carlos, Brazil. Pedro is from Mexico. And then the last one, Yi Ting. Yi Ting is from the UK. So we'll move to activity 2. Look at activity 1 and write. So Sun is from Korea. And then we have number 2. Carlos is from Brazil. Pedro is from Mexico. Yi Ting is from the UK. UK stands for United Kingdom basically. So number 3, activity 3. So activity 3, where are they from? Follow and write the country. So we'll follow the first one first. The first one is blue in color. So we'll move here. So as you can see, this flag is from the US. So you'll write she's from the US. US is stand for United States. And then number 2, so the pink color. So this is Malaysia flag. So this is a boy. So we will use he, his from Malaysia. Malaysia. And number 3, green color. So he is from the UK, United Kingdom. And then the last one, purple color. So this is Brazil flag. A boy too. So he's from Brazil. So that's it. So we are on this Get Smart Plus 4, page number 3. So if you are okay, you can always subscribe here. And then you can see the related videos here. So right below this video, there is a link, so you can click it and join my Telegram robot.